Sabi ko nga kay Toto baka may akong extra dyan.
Oo, may ang sinasabi, baka may kapatid. Di ba yun yung favorite na term nila pag may...
Movie junkie pala to si Marge.
Yan ang bonding nila ni Direk.
Pati mag-abutan ng kape. Sana all. Yeah.
Parami na ng parami, no? Yung 1,000 points na members natin.
Pero sa 2,000 point club, 2 minutes gone by in the first. Wilson, former MVP, hits a free. Tingamo bounce pass to Jervy Cruz. Short jumper is good.
Comfort zone niya ni Jervy Cruz, that mid-range. The youth of Ralph Robin. Ang masakit lang dyan, one guy who plays terrific defense will now be sidelined. Itong si Kenneth Mocon. But that backcourt is really elite. One of the better wings para sa UST back in the day. Hindi ko kasi matawag pag wala dito si Coach Chris. Pero si Coach Chris hindi tinatawag na co-member. MJ lang ang tawag niya dyan eh. But in a team like Basilan, they need him to play center.
Speaking of Basilan, one of their former players from last season.
Saka favorite ko yung draft class na yun, yung Arwin Santos, Kelly Williams.
Tama.
Yung hindi mo talaga alam kung sino 1, sino 2. Equal na equal yung kanilang draft pick.
Layup. Nadaanan mo yung Daang Maharlika, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, papuntang Isabela. Mga 10 oras din. Talio. Pull it back out. Ralph Robin. Dumps it down low. Bobby B with a lefty finish.
It's the explosive power of Bobby B that sets him apart from all the other bigs.
Derek Fisher catch and shoot. O kaya play at the rim. Bobby B will not get it off in time. And the first quarter complete. Silan ang lamang.